When we look at all of the charts, what has been happening in the last 3 to 4 days, starting with the day to the downside in the S&P, an attempt to go down, and yet, looking very bullish at the close, test day, and then buying again today. So there is a lot of demand tails on all of the 4 bars. So, and then you kind of transition to Nasdaq. With Nasdaq as the weakest asset would have the same. And I'll show you guys, a little trick here, how to identify where the stopping action might actually happen. But look at the initial buying on all of those demand tails, and specifically today, which was a very, very bearish day at the beginning of the session. Never, broke any lows, any previous lows of the previous bars, and closed extremely bullish. So that just shows a more aggressive buying. Russell is kind of becoming a little bit weaker. And the reason why Russell is becoming weaker is just because this is so oversold at this point that the money is coming in here. And the money is not necessarily going with more aggression to Russell. So that's why Russell is becoming a little bit weaker. And then the Dow is confirming whatever the S&P is showing, and the Nasdaq is confirming. Bruce, so where would you like to go with the market charts first?
Well, just the S&P. Right on cue, beginning of the new quarter, you have a slowing of the downward momentum. So the thrusts diminish into the end of September and the beginning of October, and now there seems to be, kind of clues about a change of character in the way that the market is trading. I like the internals. I like the internals in the way that the S&P looks and the Nasdaq 100 looks